Oh, hello guys. So namhlanje we are focusing on question 6 for a question paper yaka 2025 question 6. So question 6, 6.1, ukuthi they will give you in the length of the curve or the length of arc, or bese bathi 6.2 base bathi calculate the surface area. So in this part ke kuchuza bona ukuthi ama-examine ukuthi it's either bafaka ama-parametrics or bafaka the standard formula lesi sijwayelekile ukuthi y is equals to something or x is equals to something. Nakhona it depends ngokuthi bafuna something kanjani, yabo. But when you have to know ukuthi 6.1 length of arc ifana no question 4. Question 4 ukuthi i-first order, 4.2 is second order. So in this part they gave us ama-question anakanje. So u-6.1 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 is into enakanje. So bese bathi determine the length of the curve given by the following sets of parametrics equation. Parametrics equation, ukuthi you have three unknowns or two unknowns. Oh yeah, let's say that you have three unknowns, you differentiate in terms of each other. Mara you will understand masengisho kanje. So in this part they gave us in equation I2, which ilawa I2. Mawubona this thing, bathi t is equals to and t is equals to something. These are your ama-limits wakho, ama-limits. These are your limits, ama-limits wakho. Ile part leyo uzobifaka lapha. Remember ukuthi sizoba no T2 sibe nobani no T1 bese kuba yini the integral sign ozobe developile using in this part layer. Remember ke, so they gave us parametrics. Ukuthi parametrics there's only one formula, which is, because we are dealing with the length of arc, which means so no s is equals to the integral of T2 or T1 into the square root of dx squared or dx over dt plus dy all over dt. So le parts le langaphakathi ucontroller yini ukuthi bakuneke kanjani ama-formulas wakho. So lapha they started to give us one equation in terms of equation ka x in terms of t, which means uzoba nani the differentiation of x in terms of t. So and they give us formula yokugcina kobani yaka y in terms of t, which means you differentiate y in terms of t. These are my parameters. That is the ilona base irrespect utshela ubani, utshela le parts le ukuthi you must respect in terms of what le part le ikutshela ini ama-limits and irrespect, which means here you will have ubani udt, which means le yini iformula yakho ozoyenzani ozoyisebenzisa. If you landela le ndlela engishilo le ndlela engishilo, there's no way ukuthi uthole ilona yakhe equation yakhe ibe wrong. There's no way. Then ke mawuqhubeka la base bafuna i-length of arc, which means first thing ekumele siyenze ukudifferentiate equation yokuqala. So we differentiate to x in terms of ut, which means in this part leya sizoba nobani no 3 all over 2 multiplied by 4 into 3 over 2 minus 1. So mase sokuqhubeka la uzoba nobani u3 multiplied by over 4, which means is equals to 6, because u2 uzocancela kayi 1 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 6. Then t to the power of 3 over 2 1,5, which kuzoba minus 1, which means usala ngobani ngo 1 over 2, because usala ngo 0,5. So again, this is in a differential for ubani equation lo x in terms of t, which means sizofuna in equation yaka y in terms of ut. In this part here we have 6 plus, we have ubani u6 plus u2 into 4 minus ut to the power of 3 over 2. So in this part leyana sizoba no 0 plus u3 over 2 multiplied by u2 into u4 minus t, u4 minus 3 t over 2 minus 1. Must differentiate la ngaphakathi. Remember bese differentiate in exponent, mase differentiate la ngaphakathi, which means sizoba no 0 minus 1. So in this case sizoba no negative 3, because lo 2 lo uzocancela lo ya 2 loyana sibe no 4 minus t to the power of 1 over 2. 1,5 minus 1 is equals to 0,5. That's why ngithi no 1 over 1,2. Lo negative loya ngimthathe from here. Ngithathe from here. So mase sonentena kanjena uqedile. Then remember sifune ubani ud over udt and ubani udy over udt. Manje sekumele bani sifune bani udx over dt all squared, which means we have to find in something like udx all over udt all squared kanje. It is equals to, which means yothatha yonke lento leya uyi-square. So which means uzoba no 6 t to the power of 1 over 2 all squared. So when you will have something like this. Here remember the parts layer a multiplied by b all squared zoba nobani no a squared no b squared. Ile nto lezo uyenza lapha, which means zoba nale parts layer nale parts layer t, which ngamanye amagama uzoba no 36 vele. Yeah, it's 36 multiplied by ulona 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 1, which is uzoba no 36 t. So ngapha era dy all over udt all squared, it is equals to negative 3 into 4 minus t minus ut 1 over 2 to the power of 2. So le parts le I know ukuthi abantu will think ukuthi mangithi it is equals to positive 9, because remember ukuthi besinobani besino negative 1 besino negative 1 ifana nokuthi noma ngathi singicale kahle phansi ngingayibhali ngale part le, but ngiyibhale the way ina kanje, which means ngizoba no 3 here, ngibe nobani no 4 minus ut to the power of 1 over 2 into negative 1. Mangayibhala kanje mhlawumbe ingayenzi sense all squared, which means izoza here ize na here sonke le square lesiya ize na here. Ile part le still isenzani apply the same rule, which here uzoba no 9 bese here ube no 4 minus ut, because mazo multiply u1 over 2 izoba u1 bese u1 negative 1 in all squared kuzoba ubani 1 or positive, which izoba nobani no 9 into 4 minus ut. Into okumele ube nayo leya parts leya ke, into okumele ube nayo. So since you are done with ama derivatives lapho, wenzani manje? You go straight to in formula yakho. So you know ukuthi formula yakho it's like this, t1 and t2 here. So we have udx all over udt all squared plus udy all over udt all squared dt. So ke this is s, it is equals here. So ke mase sokuqhubeka lapha, remember they gave us ama limits ubani awu 0 and u2. Remember ukuthi lapha kuhlala ivalue enkulu and here kuhlala ivalue encane, which means we'll have u2 here sibe no 0, which we have something like this. Remember this is our dy dx dt all squared, which means soba nobani no 36t plus for the parts layer, which means lapha sisinobani sino 4 minus ut dt kanje. Bese ke simplify lapha, simplify. So here we have u2 bese we have u36t minus 9 times 4, I think 9 times 4 is 36. It's 36 minus 9. Here we have a plus because of that one dt. So bese ke senzani senza le parts layer siya simplify futhi lapha collect ama like terms, because we have abuthi abayi2 lapha as ama like terms wethu. So we have 2 and 0 here. We have then 36 minus 9, it is equals to 27. So which means it's 27t plus 36 dt. So because the highest power it is equals to U1, which means it is in a linear. So since linear, since linear, mangabe u-integrate linear under a square root, ungaforced ukwenza lento le yama complete square, because you can't complete a square because you don't have a square. First thing, awunaso square, which means ma differentiator it will give you yeah, I think right. See, ma differentiator it will give you in a constant ekhona, it can play a role lapha, because lapha remember ukuthi sino multiply by ubani u1, which means it can either cancel or multiply by loya 1 loya, which means ngamanye amagama into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mangabe une highest power ewu1 lapha, you do in i-u method, you let u is equals to lento le lapha ngaphakathi. Yo, sengithatha 27t plus u36, which means we have du all over dt, it is equals to 27, because this thing becomes ubani u0, then more differentiate this part kuzoba u27. So bese ke mawuchubeka lapha no0, which means we'll have ubani square root of u multiply by okay, masuchubeka lapha no dt all over du all over u27. So u-dt wethu uzoba ubani u-du all over u27, which sinani sine constant ewubani ewu1 all over u27 into square root of u du. Then ke mase silaphayana uyafana nentena kanje, uyafana nokuthi you have u1 into u1 over 2, which means mase integrate leya part leyana uzoba nobani no u to the power of 1 over 2 plus u1 all over 1 over 2 plus u1. Then this u-half plus 1, it is equals to 1,5. 1,5 ubani u3 over 2. Even here nobani no 3 over 2. Then we do what? Then iyafana nokuthi unani leya nto uya-interchange, uyafana nokuthi no 3 over 2 divide by u3 over 2. Then ma change sign, mangabe ufuna uku-change sign, we have to ukuthi u-interchange, which you will have ubani 2 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2. Into lezo masu interchange lapha, you'll have something like u2 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2. U3 over 2 into u2 and u0 lapha. Yeah, in this case we don't faka asimfaki u0 okay, because asimfaki u-c lapha, because we have ama limits. So in this part senzani, we substitute lapha, even nakhona in i-substitution ayinama marks, sure it's unnecessary, but for the case ukuthi siyafunda and we are practicing, sizoyenzani sizoyenza substitution. So in this part ke laphayana we have ubani u0, because our unknown is what? It is i-base. Or you can either do like this guy before simplify, which ungathi 1 over 27 into u27 u2 over 3 into u27, yeah, u27 plus u36 to the power of 3 over 2 into 2 over 0. Yeah, I think the parts layer is wrong layer. Bekumele senze kanje. Layer parts layer is wrong. So bekumele ube no 27 into 2 over 3. 27 times u2 plus u36 minus 2 over 3 into 27 times u0 plus u36. Then the answer yakhona is 1 over 27 into 2 over 3 into 27 times 2 plus 36 minus 2 over 3 into into 27 times 0 plus 36. So the answer is 4/3. It's 4/3, which is approximately 1,333. Yeah, baya recur. Then uzoba nobani? No units. Units, akusu units square. So mawuchubeka laphaya u6.2 wethu. U6.2 they gave us into enakanje. So they gave us some equations I2. So lawo equations it was, but say calculate the surface area generated when the curve x is equals to 1 plus 2y is rotated about the x-axis. If it's rotated about the x-axis, let me show you ukuthi la uyithola kanjani formula right. So in this part again, remember ukuthi surface area is equals to a into 2 pi asithi y or lona kwamanje asikamfaki. I just want to show you ukuthi lento siyithola kanjani. So in this part here, but calculate the surface area generated when the curve is x, because laphayana you have x is equals to 1 plus 2y, which means your differential must be dx all over dy. Kunale parts le laphayana enakanje 1 plus dx all over dy squared. Yile nto le ngithini yakutshela ukuthi ku-square root sakho ngaphakathi kumele kube nobani? No dx over dy. I think kumele kube no y lapha, yeah. Kube no dx over dy. Yinto kumele ube nayo lapha. If you have formula ethi y is equals to something, you will have ubani? Dy all over dx. I hope usazwana. Even if you are given in ku-arc le ku-length of arc nakhona kumele ikutshele kanjalo. So in this part, since sine ulon bese they are saying ukuthi laphaya here bese bathi it's rotated about the x-axis. This ikutshela ukuthini? Ikutshela ukuthi y laphaya kumele ube no y or ube no x. I hope sazwana. Laphaya kumele ube no y or ube no x, but this thing tells you ukuthi kumele ube no y or ube no x, or iphinde ikutshela ne-respect. That is why ngithi ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi these parts layer it confirms ukuthi kumele ube no y or ube no x. So in this part this thing thini isitshela ini? I-respect, which means laphaya uzoba nobani? No b and a. Bese ke i-respect yakho kumele kube ubani? U-dy, because of ubani? U-y and ulona. So in this part kumele sibe nobani? No y laphaya. This thing confirms ukuthi le kumele ibe in terms of u-y, because ama-respect wakho ama-respect wakho akubani? Aku-y. So laphaya ngizoba no y instead of x. Bese in the square root of leya nto leya kuzoba u-1 plus u-dx all over u-dy all squared. So le kula kuna sidevelopa kuphi i-formula right, because you have 4 formulas laphaya ozowasebenzisa laphaya. So yile okumele ube nayo. Angisho ukuthi la amanye I'm not sure ukuthi abanye abantu banifundisa kanjani, but mina ngiyiprefera kanje. The statement will tell you i-formula okumele uyisebenzise using ama-values wakhona. So in this part we have kumele usebenzise i-formula enakanje. I hope satholana. So if uyangizwa, then follow my steps ukuthi uthola kanjani leya part leya. Remember ngithini? Mawubona leya ekulona leya ikutshela ukuthi lento engaphakathi lapha ku-square root kumele ube dx over dy. If no y kuzoba ubani? Dy over dx. So this part leya ikutshela ini? It confirms ini? I-respect and u-y wakho noma isida uzoba no y or uzoba no x laphaya. Asibonge. So bese ke mawuchubeka laphaya senza ubani manje? Senza u, because we have to differentiate. So no dx all over dy, it is equals to 1 plus 2y squared. So in this part no meaning differentiate la. So in this part meaning differentiate and even no 0, because we have 1 plus 2, not 2, because it's 2y squared. So kuzoba ubani? 4y laphaya. So ilona yami kuzoba ubani u-4y i-differential yami. Then I have to find ubani u-dy, no, okay, u-dy, not dy, asingithi futhi. Uzofinda u1 plus u-d, why ngithi dy, u-dx all over u-dy all squared, which means it's equals to 1 plus it's 1 plus u4y bese squared, because leya part leya yini i-differential yethu leya. So i-differential yethu leya. So bese masichubeka leya part leyana, which sizoba no-1 plus, remember still sisayenza le part leya a and b, so sizoba no-16y squared. Then ke mase sesiyibuyisela laphaya, remember ukuthi kusamele siyifake phi kuleya part leya. So in this part ke mina I prefer ukuthi ungasubstitute y kuqala, ungasubstitute, because I know ukuthi njengoba ithi x is equals to 1 plus 2y squared, they will make ubani y subjects of the formula, then baya substitute laphaya. Don't do that kwamanje, don't do that, because remember ukuthi ulona wethu u1 plus lento engaphakathi laphaya ubani y. So there's a high chance ukuthi ayenzeni amkhansele lo ya y, which means we will have ubani ama limit wethu bokubani u2 and u1. So which means I was supposed to have ubani u2 and u1 into u2 y 1 plus 1 plus u16 y squared dy. So in this part more differentiate layer part layer izosinika ubani u-y, because mangathi let u it is equals to 1 plus u16y squared. Remember laba by2 and this one u1, which means they will cancel somewhere somehow laphaya, which means you are having ubani u32y. So u-du all over u-dy wami loya. So my dy it is equals to u-du all over u32y. So masichubeka kuleya part leya, mawuchubeka, so you will have ubani the integral of, okay, so sizoba no-2 pi, we'll take out the 2 pi because you constant, so no-2 and 1, then y into root u multiplied by u-du all over u32y. Then leya y leya uzenzani uzokhanselela laphaya, then we have pi into 1 and square root of 1 multiplied by 1 over u32 du. Then ke masichubeka kuba nani nobani no remember ukuthi leya part le izoza kuphi. So mangabe ngizoba no-1 over u32 multiplied by u2 pi, which ngizoba kuyafana nokuthi nginobani no-2 pi all over u32, and this part leyana kungaba ubani, kungaba u1 all over u16 pi, or leya pi lo methi lapho ku-numerator, which means kuzoba no-1 all over u16 pi into u2 1 du. Then mase solaphayana senzani le part lesiyenze laphaya, remember ukuthi uzoba nobani no-u into root 3 it is equals to 2 root 3, because we senzeni si-interchange le part leya over u2 kanje. So which means our differential, our integral laphayana kuzoba ubani integration pi into u2 over 3 over 2 into u2 and u1. Then ma substitute pi into u2 over 3. Remember ukuthi sithini u wethu uzoba ubani u1 plus 16, 1 plus 16 squared over 2, and then ke bese masisiqedile we substitute lama values lawaya, then we have u1 over 16 pi into u2 over 3 into u1 plus u16 all squared into u3 over 2 minus u2 over 3 into 1 plus u16 all squared into u3 over 2, then punch calculator yakho kumele ube, I think kumele ube nelona. Guys, ningangimind mina mangabe ngikhiphe ama-answer wrong when it comes to i-calculator. I do a lot of mistakes. So when it comes to a calculator, 16 into 2 squared. 2 squared into 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3. 2y plus 16. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Yeah. I guess. Then mina ngithola u59,422 units. So i-answer yakho ina kanje. So which means if ngiphanthe wrong guys ningixoleleni, so just ukuthi nje bengidlulisa, but mina bekumele ngabe ngigcina lapha, then the calculator ubuzoziphantshela yona. So in this part ke ilona ama-answers wakho kumele abuye kanje. If there is any question or request ukuthi ngikwenzele or anything, feel free ukuthi uyi-type kuma-comments, then ngizoyenza. And enye into ucela usubscribe lapho, uphinde ulike, ushare nabangani bakho abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.